In response to these challenges, Olam has developed a 4-step strategy. The first step is about increasing water use efficiency from agricultural operations and from our own processing and manufacturing operations. Now, we've done this in a variety of ways. Through the development of hybrid onion seed technology by our US operations, we've been able to reduce the amount of water needed to grow those onions by 7 million cubic meters over the last 4 years. The second step is about minimising the impact of wastewater in our agricultural operations and our processing and manufacturing operations. In the agricultural operations, we build what's called a buffer zone, an area between where we operate and the watercourses that are nearby. Now, this reduces the effect of chemicals running off into the river. Our third step is to improve water-related health in Olam's workplaces and ultimately in its supply chains and in the communities in which we work. We have an Olam standard that's been implemented across the business to focus on water, access, sanitation and hygiene. Our fourth step is about how to collaborate for long-term equitable access and use of water. An example is our coffee operation in Tanzania. Here they've identified all of the water users, both upstream and downstream of our own operation, and brought them together to form a water users association so everybody has a voice on how water is used in that region. They've taken the Water Users Association to the Tanzanian government and had this recognised under Tanzanian law, so the community now has a voice for how water is managed in that region.
At L'Oréal, we make over 80% of our products ourselves in our 44 plants, and we distribute them worldwide through our 153 distribution centers. To make cosmetic products, a manufacturing plant consumes resources, mainly energy, raw materials, packaging, and water. Water is also a precious resource for our planet. We have committed to reduce our water consumption per finished product by 60% by 2020. Each plant has put in place targeted initiatives to reduce water consumption, particularly for cleaning and cooling our manufacturing facilities. We try to reuse and recycle water as much as possible for various uses internally.